Dear student, you are welcome to my class. In your today's class, I am Anahar Sen. Dear student, what do you see in the picture? Tell me, who is she? Yes, you are all are right. She is Preeti Lota. She is Preeti Lota. So our topic is They Had Dreams 1, Unit 10, Lesson 1. Learning outcomes of the lesson. After this lesson, the student will be able to talk about pictures, listen for specific information, read a text and find out information, write about son. Dear student, let's go for learning some keyword. Graduate, meaning to achieve a university degree.
Meaning
Discrimination. Women should not have a discrimination, meaning
different attitude to people, especially on the
the
grounds of
grounds
race,
of
age,
race, age,
or
or sex.
sex.
Women should not have any discrimination, they should have equal right. Notorious. Notorious means dishonorable. The police is taking bribe. It's notorious deeds. Okay. Individual read the text in the book. Dear student, read the text. Read the passage, then answer question below Unit 10, Lesson 3B. Pitilata was born in Chittagong on 5 May 1911. She was married as a student at Dr. Kastugir Government Girls School in Chittagong and Eden College, Dhaka. She finally graduated in philosophy with distinction from Bithum College in Calcutta. In her college days, Pitilata was an activist in the anti-British movement. All through her life, she dreamed of two things: a society without gender discrimination and her motherland without British colonial rule. So she received combat training to fight against the British rule. Soon after, Pitilota became the head teacher of Nandokanon Arpana Charun School in Chittagong. Gradually, she involved herself in Suraya Sen armed resistance movement. Suraya Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and activist in the Chittagong area at the time. In 1932, Suraya Sen planned an attack on the Pahartoli European Club. The club was well known for its notorious sign "Dogs and Indian Not Allowed." Suraya Sen against Prithilata to lead a team of 10-12 men to attack the club. The raid was successful, but Prithilata, dressed as a man, failed to get out of the club. She committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. She proved that women can work like men. She also proved that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice their lives for freedom from the British colonial rule. Her dream came true. The British rule came to an end, though she couldn't see it, though she couldn't see during her life. Fill in the gaps with suitable words from the box. Is right from the words if it is needed. Dear student, you should use the word in the box. Tale, name, injury, plan, commit, ideal, attack, found. In 1930, Surya Sen dash to attack the Piti Lota European, attack the plan to attack the Paharturi European Club, which had a signboard that read "Dogs and Indian Laws Alone." Pitilota was dashed to lead. Pitilota was told to lead the attack, dressing herself as a Punjabi male. Pitilota with her team dash. Pitilata with her team attacked it. The club on September 23 on 10:45 p.m. injured and trapped by the British police. Pritilota slowed cyanide and dash suicide, cyanide and committed suicide to evade arrest. Bangladeshi writer Selina Hossain calls Pritilota and dash an ideal for every woman, a trust name A trust named Bir Konna, Pritilota Trust has been founded in her memory. A dormitory of Jahangirnagar University called Pritilota Hall has been named after Pritilota Waddader. Okay, dear student, homework. I will give you some work. Mention the name of woman. Who is your ideal? Who is she your ideal? Write it in 10 sentences. Thank you all.